Hello and thank you for watching as we take a look at the Ocelot P318 tire. With a 10.5mm tread depth, the knobs on the Ocelot P318 tire feature a traditional square block design that work well in a variety of situations. If you're riding on really wet or loose ground, the flotation this tire provides will help you stay on top to propel you forward. Additionally, if you're riding on hard pack, the array and arrangement of the solid lugs deliver gripping points for acceleration as well as excellent braking traction. The tire has a 4-ply construction and features a broad shape with a uniform tread layout. This design makes the tire heavy-duty enough to withstand difficult obstacles, while still being light with a wide footprint to help keep you on top of soft terrain. This style of tire has been around for decades, and you might remember tires like this on the old ATCs. This is a tried-and-true pattern that works really well and gives your ATV a nostalgic look. Suitable as a traditional sport quad tire, this Ocelot P318 tire is a great option if you're looking for that traditional old-school look with modern rubber technology and great handling for your ATV. Thanks for watching and ride safe.